What up? It's your boy Mastermind Tops checking in. You already know it's a nice, ugly, rainy day. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's a nice, ugly, rainy day. It's nice because we're here today to do our jobs on this ugly, rainy day. But it's all good, like I said, because we here to stay. Oh. Yeah, folks, I'm getting ready. I'm gonna go eat lunch with my wife. One of our favorite places, tacos and tequila. And we finna get it in, and I'm gonna get some footage of that mug so y'all can see them good ass tacos they be making, dog. So stay tuned, and we out of here, bro. Sorry, I had to pause. I almost ran over somebody. All right, so we out of here, player. Peace. Peace is amazing. Tacos and tequila. Cartina naked. There are kinds. My favorite is the South American and the chicken pancake taco. Wife is gonna get the backyard because she dirty. She like to play in the backyard. And what's the other one you get?
South America.
And the South America yolk. But when that comes in, that look real good. You got that chimichurri sauce on there. Oh man. Sauteed onions. Whatever that is, cheese. And then this is nice right here. Look at that. Fire. You'll see now when we come. Wow. Look at this. Alright, these are the two South Americans. That sauce is very spicy. I already took a bite. I was like, oh shit, I gotta record it. And that's the pancake, chicken pancake. Oh, that one's good. But these are pretty hefty, man. The one over there on the other side of town, skimp them out a little bit, but it's all good. It was still good. But this is $5 each, and they're worth $5 each. So thanks to the chef out here. Shout out to him for hooking us up, and I'm gonna enjoy it. There you go. A little spicy, but it's like a good spicy, you know. Just you see all the chimichurri there. Man, it's just great. Wow, amazing. Amazing. Chicken taco. The chicken pancake taco. Serious, look at that. Fried in pancake batter. It's like walking on heaven. Did it hurt when you fell down from heaven? Qué rico.
I'm so full with this one.
You're a fool with this one? She's a fool with this one. Qué rico. Guys, here we go. I'm gonna show you guys how to repair a nail leaking, or a nail in your tire that's leaking. I've been looking for this guy for weeks, man. For for freaking weeks. The best leak detection is saliva. I know. But hey, you gotta do it one way or another. I'm gonna show you guys how to repair this. First thing you're gonna do is try to remove the nail out of the tire. Then get yourself one of these kits. Make your hole bigger. I'll be back. See, we got the poker in there. Make sure you open the hole nice and big. Leave that sucker in there. You're gonna grab one of these bad boys and you're gonna put it in through one of these. Be right back. You do, now we got this guy in there, is you're gonna put this to the side. Make sure the hole is nice and open. And then you're gonna stick this bad boy right in there. Be right back. Sticks out like that. See? Sticks out like that, and then cut off the excessive part. This part. Well, guys, I had a successful day with pretty much everything. Good tacos and tire plugging. I had a nail in my tire, but then when I got home, the plug came out, so I got a flat tire now. I gotta worry about that. So I want to let you know everything else was successful. She's been dying to get in it.
Hi.
You know, the princess of the house. And, you know, everything went good, man. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, baby. To like and subscribe. And you have a beautiful, blessing, positive day. Remember, keep your head up. Anything that brings you down, find a way to bring you back up. And that's all for today, guys. You guys have a good one, and pow! Good night.